I'll share how to say colors in Mandarin Chinese and explain the characters one by one with detailed decompositions. In this video, I'll introduce you to 4 colors, and they are 红 red, 橙 orange, 黄 yellow, and 绿 green. 你好, I'm Yao. Mandarin is my first language, and I'll support you in your Chinese learning journey. Let's start. 红 means red. The left part is the radical, mi, and it's silk. We dye silk in red. Mi is one of the essential radical. We'll see it often in our future journey of writing Chinese. The right part is gong. There are many meanings, such as work, labor, a tool, a ruler, and a carrying pole. I recommend you memorize work, labor, and a tool because we use them often. Gong is the phonetic of hong. 橙 means orange, which applies to color and the fruit. The left part is the radical, mu. It's a tree or wood. As we know, oranges grow on the trees. The right part is dan. It means to rise, ascend, or climb, relating to going up. You may divide dan into the upper part, bo, and the lower part, dou. Bo means footsteps or legs. Footsteps relate to dan. Dou is beings in general. It can also be a ritual vessel we use in ancient times. 黄 means yellow. It's also a family name. The radical of huang is huang itself. Do you still remember that I mentioned Chinese characters focus on balance? You can tell from huang because if you draw a line in the center vertically, you'll find the left and the right parts are the same. So when you write it, imagine there's a line in the center, and it will help you write huang beautifully. 绿 means green. The left part is the radical called mi. It's silk. The right part is lu. It's phonetic of 绿. Lu means to carve wood, but we mostly don't use it in modern times. Lu looks like a dream catcher in bronze characters. And if you are interested, welcome to check it out in 汉字元. Again, I leave the link in my description. Yay! I hope after this video, you know how to say some colors in Mandarin Chinese and how to read them. Before the end, let's check them again. They are 红 red, 橙 orange, 黄 yellow, and 绿 green. I'll provide you with more colors in Chinese in my future videos. See you again soon. Bye bye.